Hello everyone. So today's date is 21st July 2020. Recap of the topic is our home is already done in our previous class. Today we will discuss chapter number 3, our body, page number 129. And your assignment is page number 133 and season worksheets page number 40 and 41. Our body is our new chapter, chapter number 3. Here are pictures of two people. Do they look alike? What differences do you see in them? What are the things that are similar? List them. See this picture carefully. See kids, our body is very special. We may all look different, but the parts of our body are the same. Part of our body. We all have a head, a neck, a main body, hands and legs. Every part of our body has a special name. Look at the pictures. The name of each part is given. Learn the name. Point to each part of your body and name it, okay? See this picture carefully. See, this is hair. This is head, ear, mouth, eye, nose, neck, chest, stomach, arm, fingers, knee, leg, foot and toes. See kids, ear. One ear means ear and both ears. Eye, one eye is called eye and both eye is called eyes. Functions of different body parts. We can do many things with our body. Each part of body is very useful. We can write and hold things with our hands. We walk, run and stand with our legs. Think of a few more things our body can do. See, look at the pictures to see what else we do with our body parts. See, jump, listen, climb, pull, smell and swim. We can do many things with our bodies and each part of our body is very useful. Near exercise, you have to write your date 21st/7/2020. Tick the correct sentence and cross the wrong ones. Our body is very special. Yes, we all knows our body is very special. So, correct. All of us have the same body parts. Yes, we all have same body parts. Each part of the body is useful. Yes, each part of the body is very useful. D is, we cannot do many things with our body. We cannot do. It's a wrong sentence. We can do many things with our body. E is, we cannot run without hands. We cannot run without hands. It's a wrong because we can walk, run and stand with our legs. Okay, so it's a wrong sentence. Second is, answer the following question. Circle the part of the body that are in twos or pairs. Okay. Head. You have one head or two head? One na. So, it's not in pair. Knee. We have one knee or two knees? Yes, we have two knees. Okay, so circle the part of the body that are in two. Arm. Yes, we also have two arms. Nose. No, we have only one nose. Eye. Yes, we have two eyes. Stomach. We have only one stomach. And ear. Yes, we have two ears. So circle knee, arm, eye and ear. Okay. B is name the part of the body that connect the head to the chest. The part of the body that connects the head to the chest is our neck. So you have to write here neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Okay. C question is which part of our body help us listen to music? Listening. Yes. Our ears. The part of the body help us to listen to music. It's our ears. Write it here. E-A-R-S, ears. What do we do with our eyes? Yes, we see with our eyes. You have to write here in book only. Okay. We see with our eyes. What do we do with our nose? Yes, nose help us to smell and breathe. So write here S-M-E-L-L, smell, and breathe, B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Okay. And question number 3 is join the name to the correct body part. One has been done for you. It's your practice work. So one has been done for you means nose. So this is nose. Okay. You have to join the name to the correct body part. Clear? Think and answer. It's your practice work. There are so many beautiful things around us. We will not be able to enjoy all this without same body parts in our body. Okay? Which parts of the body do you use to enjoy this? See, one has been done for you. A bunch of roses. A bunch of roses. So your answer is eyes and nose. Okay? We see with our eyes now and we will smell with our nose. So write it here, eyes and nose. And this is your chapter number 3, worksheet number 1 and worksheet number 2.